This is exciting because you've got a long area. There's a lot of native stuff here, which feeds somebody. But you got to get rid of the bad stuff. White mulberry, okay, bad. The orange daylilies, not good. You've got mint in here. Got to get rid of that or it will take over. You've got black swallowwort, which is not good. It's an invasive and it's everywhere, although I can't see it right this second. You've got wood aster, which is cool. You've got the wild violets, very cool. You've got the barren strawberry, very cool. You've got ferns, also cool. But then there's maple seedlings and the rose of Sharon down there and another mulberry. So you've got to spend, I think, I said to you, like, let me estimate about 4 hours getting rid of the garbage and then see if you can get rid of, or get that little oak leaf volunteer, the oak leaf hydrangea over there, and put it over here on the other side of the spindle tree. Here's your black swallowwort. So I'm the oak leaf hydrangea, which you see then when you drive up, and then you won't see this. Then every so often you monitor, but you'll know that it's doing good and that there's nothing bad in here.
Yeah.
And that's a win-win right there.